What's up everybody, it's the dimmest star from the shittiest constellation, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a valuable life skill. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to win the sperm race. I can guarantee that by the end of this video you will become a true sperm race completionist, hell, maybe even a sperm race world record holder. Now, everybody knows that to win the sperm race, you have to be an absolute alpha chat. You have to be stronger, bigger, and better than all the other fast-swimming spermatozoa. You have to be a hare among tortoises. But given the fact that you're watching this video, you clearly don't live up to any of those standards. You're probably more like a fucking raisin in the trail mix. You're nothing but pond scum. But fear not, little bitch, I have a solution for you. Step 1 in winning the sperm race is to visit your local firearms retailer and pick out a trusty Glock 18, which happens to also be useful for robbing quick trips and committing other atrocities in your local area. Now, a common misconception about the sperm race is the fact that it's a race. In actuality, the sperm race is more like a game of King of the Hill. Once you reach the egg, you better be damn ready to defend your prize from all the other grimy little Cheeto-fingered spermlets that are headed your way. This is step 2, where the Glock 18 comes into play. What you're going to want to do is hold the gun one-handed at an approximately 105-degree angle. This might sound like some gangster shit, but what gangsters know that the common man does not is that holding the Glock at such an angle actually increases the rate of fire. See, at this angle, the bullets will actually roll out of the magazine and into the chamber at an accelerated rate, thus decreasing the time between firing a bullet and the next bullet being slotted into the chamber. Trust me, it's simple physics. Using this method, you're going to want to blast all the other greedy spermatozoa back into their daddy's nutsack. Just absolutely lay waste to those bastards. After about 15 seconds or so, the egg will be secured and you will have officially won the sperm race. Congratulations, now you can enter the real world. Just pray that you aren't born in France or some shit.